Listen to the sound of the wind.
Get them. When we first moved here,
That wind is going pretty hard. Pretty hard. Really hard. You can see it in the tree. Listen to that wind. The skies are dark. The wind is blowing. And we're walking in it. Look at that. The wind is blowing so hard. It's kind of having an effect on my phone and how I hold it. So, yeah, driving, listening to the sound of the wind. I'm trying to get as many pictures as possible, some videos. It's just cool. See how you can hear it. It's pretty hard wind. I'm just filming the sky right now because it's easier than filming the trees. And just walking. Feels like it's gonna rain, guys. Nearly stepped on a toad. Yeah, there's toads where I live. This is just me walking right now. It's going good. Just stepped on a toad. Our dog would have liked it. But, you know, he can't be near toads anyways. So, no toads today for him. So here are some pictures I took while we were out in the windstorm. There's some tree pics, there's some cloud pics, but you can see in this photo there's the trees blowing in the wind. This one, there's more trees blowing in the wind. The skies got pretty dark. Unfortunately, at the time of recording this, I know now that it did not rain, although I expected it to rain, so it's just, whatever. But here are the last of the pictures, and I hope you guys have a nice day. And if you would like and subscribe, and that is all. Goodbye, and I will see you another time.